After a lengthy delay for rain, lightning and thunder, we're back on the final day of the ISSA GraceKennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, and we're standing by for the final of the Class 3 Girls 800 metres. Ricardo Chambers alongside Bruce James and Dwayne Extall for this final. From the inside, Sakima Peterkin of Manchester High, Gabrielle Francis of St. Catherine High, Felicia Compass of Homewood Technical, Anika Lowe, the defending champion, Edwin Allen, Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College, the 1500 champion, Kamoya Graham of Sydney Pagan, Romian Gray, the central champion for Edwin Allen, and Chanel Henry of Hydel. That is the lineup.
Go Alex Jordan, go. That's what it looks like. The Clarendon College girl has come here, fifth seeded in the 1500 meters, got gold. What does she do in the 800 meters?
Yeah, good opening 200 meters. Roughly 30 seconds to start the race, and they look comfortable, look steady in this race. The favorite, Anika Lowe, defending champion, hoping to get gold after a disappointment in the 1500 meters.
Yeah, she didn't get through to the 1500 final, and Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College ran a superb race.
We have a faller.
Great in qualifying. Yes, there is indeed a faller. Might be,
looks like from Hydel.
Henry of Hydel, yes, who has gone down. She is back up and running. 400 meters to go. 102.8 for the first 400. Pretty nippy.
Yeah, pretty nippy indeed. And as the race continues, Alex Jordan Hall is leading. Trying to get back to them is Anika Lowe. She was involved in that small kerfuffle just now, but it's still down the back stretch. Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College.
She was fifth at Central Championships in the 800 meters, Alex Jordan Hall, but she has come to championship in fabulous form, and she continues to lead as they approach 200 meters to go. The 1500 champion in control of the 800 final. The Edwin Allen girls, who came into this as favorites, look out of it. What a turn up this is.
Compass from Homewood Technical battling for the silver medal.
With Graham of Sydney Pagan. Down the home stretch they go. Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College in control of the Class 3 girls 800 meters. She is well clear of Kamoya Graham of Sydney Pagan and Compass of Homewood Technical. Alex Jordan Hall wins the double. Class 3 800, 1500 double, 2:14.92. It is another sublime performance for Alex Jordan Hall of Clarendon College. What a turn up.
There's something about getting to champs in your very best form. Alex Jordan Hall, defeated all year by all her competitors, was not outstanding. Look at her now on your screen, the smile of a double gold medal winner at Class 300 in the distance races.
Yeah, said in her interview, many more to come, and she delivers gold in a big way. Add that to the 1500 meter title. Great brave running from her, good front running.
We're about to see the fall here doing Extall as they're painful to see. Henry of Hydel was moving forward, tripped from behind.
Yeah, ran into some trouble there with Anika Lowe of Edwin Allen. So Edwin Allen girls finish off the medal podium, but it's Alex Jordan Hall, the 1500 meter champion. Great running from Compass, has looked good through the rounds, but Kamoy Graham denies her a silver medal with a brave second place run in this girls Class 3 final. But all eyes, all the focus on the one that stands tall, Alex Jordan Hall from Clarendon College.
It's inexplicable what has happened to the Edwin Allen girls here. They came in as big favorites. They were superb at Central Championships. They have been fantastic